What's up, everybody? Thanks for tuning in. Come on and take a ride with me. Fasten your seatbelt and get ready for an awesome adventure. What's up, everybody? And I hope everybody's doing well. I want to say hello to all the new subscribers, and I appreciate you for joining the channel. Welcome. And one more thing I want to do before I get started. Big T, cue the music.
Surround vision, entertainment. Positive affinity is what we came with.
Thank you. That's going to be the new intro song, and that's my brother singing it. I hope you all enjoy it. But anyway, and this is what I want to tell you. The first thing you want to do is surround yourself with people that are smarter than you. You want to make sure these people are positive too. And I'm going to tell you something about that. That is going to create the foundation. Think about it. Before you build a house or anything else, the first thing you got to do is build a blueprint. Let me start there. But after the blueprint, to bring the physical thing into fruition, you got to start with the foundation. So surrounding yourself with the correct people, in my opinion, is the foundation. Today's message is a good one, and I hope that it sticks. If you're the smartest one in your group, you need to find a new clique. And that's the message for today. I'm out. Peace.